The number 2 reason why I hate pedophiles is because they ruin the word grooming. Me and my wife have separate bedrooms. We also have separate houses. She's also my ex-wife. I don't like when people say that they hate kids, especially if those people don't have kids. Because the people who hate kids have kids, and they beat them. I don't really like the term white trash, mostly because I don't think it's mean enough. I'm gonna be doing an hour of comedy at the Siren Theater in Portland, Oregon on August 14th. You can get tickets at thesirentheater.com or the link in my bio. Hope to see you there.